Hello everyone, I am Pavitra Devi, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. I am going to take the class about confusion matrix. Confusion metric is the performance measure tool used to classification of problem to evaluate the accuracy of model predictions. It provides a comprehensive view of the how well classification model is performing, particularly when the data is imbalanced, that is, when the classes are not equally represented. Next one, structure of confusion matrix. Confusion matrix typically show the following four outcomes. First one is true positive, that is called as TP. The number of instances where the model correctly predicate the positive classes. Next one, true negative, that is called as TN. That the number of instances where the model correctly predicate the negative classes. Next one, false positive, it's called as FB. The number of instances where model incorrectly predicate the positive classes, also known as type 1 errors. Next one, false negative, the number of instances where the model incorrectly predicate the negative classes, also known as the type 2 error. Predicted positive, predicate negative, actual positive, true positive, false negative, actual negative, false positive, true negative. It is the structure of the confusion matrix. Next one, interpreting the confusion matrix. The first one is true positive. These are the instances where the model correctly predicate the positive classes. Examples, correctly identifying the patient with the diseases. What type of diseases there are for this diseases. Next one, true negative. These are the instances where the model correctly predicate the negative classes. Example, correctly identifying the healthy patient, whose are patient are healthily identified. Next one, positive, false positive. These are the instances where the model predicate the positive classes incorrectly. Example, healthy patient is wrongly diagnosed having the diseases. It is the false positive. False negative. These are the instances where model predicate the negative classes incorrectly. Examples, patient with the diseases are wrongly classified as a healthy. This is the interpreting the confusion matrix. Next one, performance metric derived from the confusion matrix. Accuracy, precision, positive predict values. Accuracy is nothing but true negative plus true positive divided by true negative, false positive, true positive plus false negative. It is called as accuracy. Next one, precision positive predict value. It is formula is PPV. It is positive predict value equal to true positive divided by true positive plus false positive. Precision measure how many instance that the model predicate as the values. Instant predicate the positive actual values. It is answer the questions of all the predicate positive values occur many actual positives. Recall, sensitivity or true positive rate. Formula, recall equal to true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. Recall measures how many of actual positive instances were correctly identified by the model. It answers the question of all the actual positive, how many did we correctly identify. Next one, F1 score. Formula F1 equal to 2 into precision into recall divided by precision plus recall. F1 score is the harmonic mean of precision and recall. It provides the single metric that balances the two, especially when you need a balance between the false positive, false negative. Specifically, true negative rate. Formula specify equal to true negatives, that is Tn divided by true negative plus false positive. Specificity measure how well the model correctly predicate the negative values. Next one, false positive rate, FBR. Formula is false positive rate equal to false positive divided by false positive plus true negative. The false positive rate measure how many actual negative were incorrectly classified as the positive. False negative rate, that is called as FNR formula. FNR equal to number of false negative divided by number of false negative plus number of true positive. The false negative rate measure how many actual positive were incorrectly classified as negative. Example of confusion matrix. Let me see the model that is classifying whether an email is spam or not spam. After testing the model, we get the following confusion matrix. Predicate the spam, not predicate the spam, actual spam. Thank you.